KnoCommerce Honest Review, watch before using. Welcome to this KnoCommerce Honest Review. If you're considering this platform, watch this first. KnoCommerce is an innovative survey and data collection tool designed specifically for e-commerce brands looking to capture detailed customer insights directly within their store. It integrates seamlessly with Shopify and other e-commerce platforms, allowing brands to gather actionable feedback from customers post-purchase, which can significantly enhance customer experience and product strategies. KnoCommerce goes beyond simple feedback forms. It offers a highly customizable survey experience, letting you tailor questions to your exact needs and trigger them at strategic points. This flexibility is ideal for uncovering specific insights like purchase motivation, brand perception, and customer demographics. One standout feature of KnoCommerce is its ability to integrate data into your existing tech stack, allowing you to sync survey responses with platforms like Klaviyo, Segment, and Google Sheets. This means you can track customer data over time and develop a comprehensive understanding of evolving customer trends without any manual data transfer. Its audience segmentation capabilities are another strong point, enabling brands to create targeted surveys for different customer segments. This is especially useful if you have a diverse customer base and want to capture varied insights across demographics or purchase patterns. Additionally, KnoCommerce's dashboard is user-friendly, offering clear data visualization, which simplifies decision-making for marketing and product development teams. KnoCommerce was designed with scaling e-commerce brands in mind, particularly those that value data-driven insights for growth. If you're running a Shopify store, want to understand customer behavior better, and are looking for ways to improve targeting and personalization, KnoCommerce has the tools to help. It's priced reasonably for the feature set, though smaller brands should weigh the need for such an in-depth tool based on their current stage and growth goals. In short, KnoCommerce is a powerful survey and analytics tool for e-commerce brands serious about leveraging customer insights. Its robust integration options, survey customization, and data analysis features make it a valuable asset for those wanting to deeply understand and engage their customers. So, if you're ready to get more strategic with customer feedback, KnoCommerce is a solid choice. Just ensure it fits your brand's scale and budget. Thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts or experiences with KnoCommerce in the comments below.